So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you about SPCK Editor. So it was simple and quick tutorial. You guys can watch explain videos, but it was basic tutorial, so you guys will know how SPCK Editor works and how you guys can use it. So let's go to SPCK Editor. If you guys don't have SPCK Editor app, you guys can download it from Play Store. So simply click on SPCK Editor. Now here you guys will simply wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see that type of interface. So simply click on top left corner three lines. Here you guys will see starter projects. Also on first side you guys will see a mouse type icon. Simply click on that. Here you guys will see projects, editor, settings, discover, my labs, change log. So in editor you guys can add HTML profile, etc. or other things. For example, I have that snake game, so I can remove that JS game. For example, I will click on these three dots and I will click on delete. I will delete all these files like HTML, CSS, readme license. After that, when I click on these three dots and here I click on new file, here I can create HTML file, CSS file and JS file. And after that, I will simply put my code. Once I put my code and connect it, after that, I will click on, for that, simply click on that green icon on top right corner. After that, you guys will see the animation or whatever you created here, like you guys will see display of that thing. So that's how you guys can use SPCK Editor. Thanks for watching.